A very good morning to everyone. I am Shalini and today I am here to introduce to the fascinating art of pottery making. Pottery is not just about shaping clay, it is an expression of creativity, patience and skill. Through this workshop, we will explore the process of transforming a simple lump of clay into beautiful and useful objects. Whether you are a beginner or you have some experience, this session will offer you the opportunity to get hands-on with clay and learn various pottery techniques. So let's get ready to start our skill classes.
All the students will sit in a group and you have to give a name to your group. And after that, you have to tell group name with a reason.
Group name is 5 Squads because we are 5 members and we are working in a unity.
Our group name is Creative Girls Group because we will try to create useful things from waste materials and the clay.
Our group name is the 5 Stars because I have a 5 member and we shine like a star.
Our group name is Fantastic Girls and we have put in this name because we will work as a unity and in our group there is girls with, who do craft. That's why we have put in this name.
Okay, now students, you all have to solve two worksheets. Okay, when you will see, first worksheet is related to word puzzle and other worksheet is related to comprehension. In that comprehension, first you all will read that comprehension at least twice, and then related to that comprehension, 3 questions are given, and you all have to write answer related to that comprehension. Okay.
Doesn't matter where we are. It's important gets its lesson. Since then, it starts living happily. Frank, you wanted to go with the rich here. We got scratches on us. The old man gets 2 plants and puts them in both the pots and waters them.
What have you learned from this video? Who will tell first? Yes, Siksha, stand up.
We not judge anyone or ourselves by the personality, we judge ourselves and everyone by their capability. I have learned from this story is that this thing which is waste from us, we have to use that and make it as useful thing that it will definitely work for us. Thank you.
Very good.
Okay, student.
I have learned from this story that we have to not judge anything by its appearance. Firstly, we have to use it, see its capability, because we cannot judge anything by its face or colors. Anything.
Very good. Clap everyone.